No matter what level you ever go to in life, never forget where you started. And even more important, never forget why you started.
3, 2, 1, go!
Round 1.
Three, 2, 1, break.
Every day of your life will be a one-on-one battle. And you know the scary part about it? It ain't even about the next man. The one-on-one battle is with
3,
yourself.
2, 1, go!
Round 2.
3, 2, 1, break.
To uncover your true potential, you must first find your own limits. And then you have to have the courage to blow past them.
3, 2, 1, go!
Round 3.
3, 2, 1, break.
If it is important to you, you will find a way. If it's not, you'll find an excuse. Go and find a way. Come on, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Round 4.
3, 2, 1, break.
Winners say it might be difficult, but it's possible. Winners see the game. Winners see possibility. Winners make it happen.
3, 2, 1, go!
Round 5.
3, 2, 1, break.
Don't give up just because of what someone says. Use that as a motivation to push harder, because no one else is gonna do it for you. Show me what you can do.
3, 2, 1, go!
Round 6.
3, 2, 1, break.
Don't try to be perfect. Just try to be better than you were yesterday. Go out there and sweat. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Round 7.
3, 2, 1, break.
All your life, they will tell you no quite firmly and very quickly, and you will tell them yes.
3, 2, 1, go!
Final round.
3, 2, 1, break.
Oh my goodness. I'm so proud of every one of you all right now. I am so proud.